All right, let's review. Number 17, we're going to be looking at the equation of a circle. So for the x value, I see I have an x and a y value. So I'm just going to write x minus 23 over 2 all squared. All I did was change the sign. On the y, I'm going to go y minus the square root of 230 all squared. All I did is change the sign, have a plus sign in between them, and this is going to equal to 4 radius squared. Now let's take a look at question number 18. The center of the circle, I can tell the center of the circle is the point -2, 2. The radius, if I look at the length, the radius is 2. So I'm just going to write x plus 2 squared, y minus 2 squared. I just changed the signs on the x and the y value, put a plus in between them, and it's equal to 4 radius squared. Continuing still with circles, let me skip to number 21. I can tell the center of the circle is 2, -2. The radius is the square root of 16. Since this is radius squared, that means the radius is 4. So let me plot the center, 2, -2. From the center of the circle, I'm going to go 2 up, 2 to the left, 2 down, and 2 to the right. That way I have a very good idea how the circle should look like. Same thing for number 22. My center of the circle is 4, 1. My radius is the square root of 5, which we know is 2 point something. So I'm going to put my center of the circle as 4, 1. When you guys graph it, I expect you guys to go a little more than 2, but less than 3. So I'm going to go each direction, up, down, to the right, to the left. On each of them, I went a little more than 2. And that was for circles. Now, on Tuesday and Wednesday, we saw volume. So when we have a prism, that means I have the base twice. I do volume is the area of the base times the height. In this case, the base is it's a polygon, and I'm going to go 8.3 for the apothem. Each side is 12. There's 6 of them. And I'm going to divide this by 2. That's the base. So 8.3 times 60 divided by 2. That's going to give me 249. My result, let me multiply this by the height. 249 times 8. I get 1,992. Now, when it comes to pyramids and cones, we do the area of the base times the height divided by 3. So here, the base, let me go 5.2 for the apothem. Each side is 6. There are 6 sides. Divide this by 2. So 5.2 times 36 divided by 2. I get 93.6. That's just the base. The height is 11, and I must divide this by 3. Pyramids and cones, we always divide by 3. Here I get 343.2.